Richmond Police Department, dispatch 1183.
I need police at 483.
Number 1 Street, apartment B. Yes or no? Okay, and what's the phone number you're calling from?
I'm calling from...
Tell me exactly what happened.
My brother became aggressive. He has mental issues.
What's his name?
His name is Angel Montaño.
Angel Montaño?
Yes.
How old is Angel?
He is 26.
Black, white, or Hispanic?
He has mental problems.
Okay, sir, describe him to me. Is he black, white, or Hispanic?
He's red hair. He has a knife.
Okay, is he black, white, or Hispanic in case he takes off? He's a black male?
Me, specifically.
He's a black male? What's he wearing?
He's wearing a Grinch shirt. Grinch shirt, long sleeve.
Okay. Great long sleeve. Where is he now?
Then he wants to kill me.
Okay, where is he now?
He's in the living room right now.
Okay, sir.
Please send...
Listen, I've already got him on the way. That's why I'm asking you this information, okay? Stay on the phone.
307, 385, 306. 306. 5150, armed with a knife at 1st Street. Boy. That's the brother, Angel Arian. He's a black male, 26, long sleeve, gray shirt. He's got a knife and he's making threats to kill the RP and the mother. Oh, boy.
Drive your car up. Drive your cars up. Maybe once everybody else gets here, a couple seconds. I want to make sure that our tools come out. Garcia's en route, right? Garcia's en route? I want to wait for that 40. Garcia. Yeah, it's right there.
He's at this door? 306, you still have him on my mind.
Copy that. Are there any active threats?
Okay. Is your mom okay?
Yes, she's okay for now.
Okay.
I don't know because I'm only facing her back.
You're only what?
Between me and my brother. She doesn't want him or me to stab each other, so she's standing in between us.
Okay.
She's still desiring to attack me, specifically me, because my mom right now is in between them. He doesn't want to hurt her, but he said he will.
Okay.
You never was done nothing like that.
Can you and your mom step outside?
No, I'm not.
He's standing between us and the door to go outside.
He's standing, okay, stay on the phone. He's standing between them and the door.
Put down the knife, please. Angel. Angel, please put down the knife.
Put down the knife so they don't see the knife.
Please put down the knife.
Hey, what kind of knife is it?
It's a kitchen knife.
Okay.
Small kitchen knife.
Over years, that means that puts them back a whole year in 10 days, regardless.
Angel. Okay, now he has 2 knives.
Look, now he's on with 2 knives?
No.
Okay.
Yes, he's 2 knives. One kitchen knife on his left and a regular small utility knife on his right. Please hurry. Send them in now, please. This is no longer.
Okay, listen. I got 6 officers on scene. They got to get a plan to get in, because we're not just going to rush and wind up and try and, you guys get hurt. Take a deep breath. I need you to be as calm as you can. I got officers there. And I'm going to stay on the phone with you until they tell me to tell you what to do, okay?
Richmond Police! Richmond Police! Hey, stop! Richmond Police! Come outside! Hey, stop! Stop! Richmond Police! Come outside! Hey, stop! Stop!